Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on how to increase the number of search results you see in the first page of Google. Let's just jump straight into it. So what you want to do is type in a random query, doesn't really matter what it is, then go up to quick settings here, see all search settings, and then on this bit here, results per page, and you can choose how many results you want to see. And then once you've decided, just scroll down to the bottom and hit on save. Your preferences have been saved. Perfect. And then once you're back here, you might need to refresh the page for it to properly work. And now if I scroll down, you can see that we have more search results.